Hey everybody, how's it going? Jonathan here with Automate with Jonathan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update specific cell locations using pandas and the iLock method. So I have this basic CSV here of filler data, first name, last name, age, profession, everybody's first, last name, age, and profession, obviously. And I load that into pandas using the pandas.readCSV method, and then print that to string here. And then here you can see. So let's say we wanted to update one of these specific values here. Say we want to update Paul DeMarco's age to 45, or to 44 rather. He's already 45. What we do is df.iloc, and then we set the coordinates. So where is Paul DeMarco? He is the third one. And where is his age, rather? He is 3 and 2. And we're going to set that to be equal to 45. And then we're going to run that and print it again. So you're going to see two printouts here. Oh, I'm sorry, he's already 45. Let's make him 44. And there you have it. Paul DeMarco is 44. Here's the first one where he's 45 in the original text. And then we change his age to 44 here. By doing that, let's say we wanted to change Devin Jabber's age to 69. What we would do is we do that to 3. Put that to 69. Whoops. See how I did that wrong? So that's 2 and 4. So it's the fourth one down, second one over. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So 4, 2. And now Devin Jabber is 69 years old. Let's say we want to change him from being a talk show host. We, instead of doing 2, we do 3 there. And what profession would we like him to be? Let's say speechwriter. Now Devin Jabber is a speechwriter. So that's how you can upload specific cell locations using iLock. Well, let me do another example here. 0, 0. What would 0, 0 be? 0. Well, why don't we just print that? Let's print df.iloc 0, 0. We don't need that. That's John. 0, 1. Smith. Go right down the road. 0, 2 is the age. What if we do -2? Interesting. 3. Sandwich artist. So this is third. 0, 1, 2, 3. Sandwich artist. And this is the 0 row. So I hope that helps. It's not as intuitive as you think. I thought it was going to be X and Y, but once I got in there, it was row and column. So thank you so much for watching, and if you got anything out of this video, please hit the like button. Bye-bye.